Hello. If you are looking to lead in the dynamic world of law and technology, a Master in Law and Technology is designed to help you build a successful career in this field. Taught at our Regent campus in central London, our course will enable you to explore how emerging technologies are transforming industries and societies while driving innovation. With us, you will explore a range of fascinating topics, including artificial intelligence, data law and privacy, risk and security, blockchain and Web 4.0, along with intellectual property, social media law, and even space law. You will develop practical skills that are highly valued by employers, making you a standout candidate in this fast-growing field. You will be part of a vibrant law and technology hub, a community that brings together legal and tech academics and professionals, helping you connect with leaders in the field and develop your skills. We are very proud of our graduates' achievements. Many have secured roles as compliance officers, while others are building successful careers in policy analysis and legal research. So if you are interested in learning more, please get in touch or join us at our next postgraduate event at Westminster.